Really? Flat thumbs, everybody. I'm out with the Nikon P900. Moon flyby. Zetetic Astronomy. Research. Zetetic Cosmogony. The Earth is a level plane. You can see the moon as plasma. The Earth stands still. Water never lies. People lying. So let's try to zoom in a little bit more. Very cool. I really like the Nikon P900. The P1000 is very heavy. I love the P1000, but when you see the moon, you can take your P900 and run out and film the moon very quick. That's very cool. She is light. Yeah, so have a great weekend, everybody. Tomorrow is Flatter Day. Happy Flatter Day, Matt. And I hope we see us soon. Shelley's Flatlanders 4 is very cool. Thank you, lovely. I really enjoyed Flatlanders 4. Alex Meckel album will come out in 8 weeks, I think so, yeah. And Sean Hibbler's Old World Order on May the 25th on the Stu Peters blah blah blah. I don't know correctly, Sean. I don't know. Network is the right name, yeah. I hope you will upload the film in 4K in YouTube. That would be very cool. You know me, I will share it. Yeah, so I hope everyone is good. Also much love to you, Santos. Thank you for the help. And stay flat. Ciao.
Research flat